33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 36, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
What about the introduction for that? The back mark 100 for Mitchell Hewitt for 383, number 1. Now just watch on number 1 for a moment as he cuts the board hole. 1, 2, you can count as he goes. 3, throws an axe. He only put 3 board holes in there. Makes the board with him, springs up. Then we go down to number 2, Brian Wagner, 3-2. He's up into the top. And if you have a look down on the front markers down there as well, Lane Champ, he's already been up into that tree. Also one up from him, Austin Scrivener, a young wiry but fit excellent as they go up into that tree. One from Victoria, the other one on tree number 8 from here, New South Wales. And we go up on the Riley Sheehan, tree number 7, also making his way up in progress. They'll try all they can to stay ahead. Ryan stepping down with big steps out of tree number 2 to try and make sure he gives more opportunity to get ahead if he possibly can in his component. Josh Adamson on tree number 3, also stepping down quickly with the back mark of 100 was Mitchell Hewitt. Then they start to drive now, all of them up into the run into the top to take out the other half of that opportunity. 275mm diameter, and we won't be far away from getting you, ladies and gentlemen, to have a little bit of input because it'll start to heat up. Down on that far end, down with number 38. The front down there is Austin Scrivener. Keep your eye on him. Also, Jake Hewitt on tree number 6. Also, don't forget, we've got Matthew Gurr from Tasmania on tree number 5. Now let's start to make a bit of noise for them, ladies and gentlemen. Let's try and find the place. Jake Hewitt. He's Columbia. Then we go down to Lane Champ. Then we come up from there. Austin Scrivener it was, then up from there, from Tasmania, Ryan Sheehan. They're all coming all together now. Brian Wagner is off. Our back mark here, which has done a great job to catch, is Mitchell Hewitt. He's there, he goes. And our eyes at the moment on tree number 3, Josh Adamson. So just watch as we go through there and see if he gets that off. Get behind tree number 3, ladies and gentlemen. He's driving it. There we go. So our judges will get some placing. It is a final, a decent official presenting once we get our places.